Hey guys, this is Brooke with Clear Creek RVs, and today we're gonna check out the Imagine. It's the 3100 RD. All right, so up front, you've got your pass-through. One cool thing about this one is it has the plastic rock guard, so when you put your hitch in there, it won't get scratched up. A lot of other trailers have linoleum, and this is just an added extra quality. So this is probably at least a 14-foot awning. It covers pretty much the entire side of the trailer, so whenever you're hanging out, cooking, you can get that cover from the sun. Now let's go check out the inside. As soon as you walk into this trailer, you're gonna notice this dinette. It's actually a desk too, so you can sit the chair right here, watch TV, plug your computer in, do some homework right here as well. So now we're in the kitchen. This is gonna be your solid surface, and it actually has a little extended table over here. They have a built-in kitchen soap dispenser, so you don't have to sit there and have messy soap bottles everywhere. Plenty of storage up here and right there. Got this little space right here. Look at all the drawers. And you can't forget the built-in kitchen trash can. So walking further into the kitchen, you're gonna have your matching black appliances. That's my favorite thing. I'm glad that they started doing that. You've got more solid surface countertops right here. And then you've got more storage. Definitely can't forget your pantry. Everyone loves having a pantry. So now we're in the living room. This is kind of like the same layout as you would get in a front living fifth wheel, but it's in a bumper pool. It's just in the rear. It's really popular. Both of these couches fold out into a bed, so you can fit the kids back here or have company. You've got your theater seating right here, and then your TV and your entertainment system directly in front. You've got all of this solid surface countertop as well, and then more entertainment, put your games. You've got more storage. So this layout is not lacking any storage at all. Back in the bathroom, a lot of space, a lot of storage. You've got this over the toilet. You've got your medicine cabinet over here. Pretty deep sink, and then you've got all of this countertop space if you need to put your straightener or your blow dryer up. And then you have all these little cubbies. Some people like to roll rags or towels or stick your toilet paper in there for storage. We're in the front bedroom. You've got hanging storage on each side. You've got these little cubbies, and they both have charging stations as well, and these are also CPAP friendly, so you can put your CPAP in there. Up here you've got your little reading lights. You can do blue or the white. And then over here you've got your storage hanging closet. There's a rod right up in here, and then your folding clothes go right down here. And then there's actually a little cubby under here. I guess you could stick your slippers. Get them out of the way. Thanks for hanging out with me and letting me go over the 3100 RD Imagine. If you want to come check it out, come see us at Clear Creek RVs.